TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 106. You get the NASDAQ down 32. S&Ps are off 10. Gold contracts up $7.70, trading at $12.04 an ounce. You got silver up 14 cents, $16.97. Both gold and silver catching a bid, going higher. They have volume behind the move. Platinum's up $15, $9.88 an ounce. We have the copper market going topside also. That's up 5.5 pennies, $2.66 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1, $53.35. Notes and bonds also going topside. Higher price, lower yield. You have the 10-year note up 9 ticks, 125.03. 30-year bond up 23 ticks, 153.17. King dollar down 807 ticks, 100.925. Bottom line, folks, King dollar. It failed on price, failed on volume. Went lower yesterday with volume, lower this morning with conviction. King dollar is making its way back inside the 100.600 mark. I expect we're going to see that more than likely later today, tomorrow. That's going to be a major failure of the breakout of November. That'll put it back into the consolidation that started in March in 2015. And bottom line, that'll set up a 91 in King dollar over the next 6, 7, 8, 9 months. The euro's trading at 106. The yen is out here at 114.10. We get over and we take a look at the S&Ps. This is what you have. Now, the market itself has been hitting highs. There's been no volume topside. Well, there's been no volume expansion downside either. We'll see if we get an expansion downside today. Yesterday, as we were going higher, you did 74 million shares. Now, yeah, that was going against 142. Bottom line, each and every time we back down, though, the volume also dries up. So we'll see how this shakes out today. If we get volume that gets over 80, 90 million, then you're going to get some action to the downside. And particularly, we have the banks coming out with numbers tomorrow morning, so that just may be the start of a correction. Dow Industrials, what you have with the Dow Industrials, we're down $112 right now. Dow looks like it is going to go after the 19,718 level. So that's going to be quite a downdraft. And we can get it right into that today. That's the swing low from the 30th. 30th didn't have any volume either. We'll see whether we get an expansion of volume. NASDAQ Composite. What do we have with the Composite? Composite out here down $38. You're at 55.25. That wants lower price. The 3Qs, the NDX 100, that is pulling back. And guess what? That's light volume. The bottom line is that we'll see whether we get that expansion. Right now, you're only doing 2.6 million. It is the beginning of the day, but bottom line, it's still light volume. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold, folks, wants higher price. It's moving with conviction. You've already done 161,000 contracts. That is a monster contract level, folks, for 10 o'clock in the morning. That's saying the gold contract's going to do probably up to 250, 300,000 contracts. That is saying gold wants to run up into 1221. And what you have now is game on the gold contract is 1312. 1312 is on the agenda. We go take a look at the silver contract. Silver is also catching a bid. In fact, all commodities are catching a bid out here this morning because the King dollar is getting wrecked. Silver has done 39,000 contracts out here. You're up 13 cents. You're trading at a price point of $16.96. Silver looks like it's going to go make a run for $18.95. So it's a big number in the silver market. Notes and bonds have continued to give out consistent information that they want higher price. This is banging on a swing point that was generated out here January 6th. And it has volume behind the move, so it looks like it wants to go after it and take it out. And let's go to King dollar, because King dollar is what's moving markets out here. King dollar was down over 1,000 ticks this morning. You have volume behind the move. You've already done 33,000 contracts. That's saying King dollar is going to do 60, 70,000 contracts. Next move with King dollar looks to me like 99.250. Bottom line, once you're inside 100.600, guess what? 91 King dollar. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by EverBank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.